Hello and welcome back. Today we are drawing a nest. N for nest. Let's start. So here we drew three small curves and joined them. This is where the bird will keep its eggs. Let's draw some eggs. That's first egg. That's the second one. And let's draw the final third one. Here we have it. Now the nest is mostly made up of leaves and small branches. So we can make a lot of squiggly lines. Let's start from here. They will go above the eggs. And then come down like this. See, we are repeating the same thing. A big curve, a sharp one, another big one. And now you can turn it other way. Another line, a big one. Here also, come down. Small, big, join. Now let's make some leaves around our nest. Second one could be here. You can draw them anywhere. As long as they're with our nest, they'll look good. That's the second one. And we can draw third one here. Here you have it. That's a nest. Looks fluffy and comfortable, doesn't it? So a nest is a house that a bird makes to keep its eggs and babies safe. Now how do we draw the letter N? First we draw two standing lines. 1, 2, and a slant line joining them from top to bottom. So you start from the top and go all the way to bottom. This is the letter N. N is for nest. Excellent work. See you in the next one.